Hi guys, I'm Vanessa again, and this is the dietary supplement. This is a magnesium 12-in-1 complex, 12 active magnesium types, guys. As you can see, this is from Tutoria Health. They have a glycinate, citrate, malachite, asterate, gluconite, ascorbate, taurite, oxide, lactate, carbonate, chloride, and orotate. 700 milligrams, 120 capsules made in USA, as you can see the flag here, guys. And you can take one capsules daily, preferably with a meal and a water. So you can take one of these. Let me open this. You can take this one a day when I drink a water. That is, guys, it's so good for your body. Dietary supplement. What are you waiting, guys? Check the details below and buy now.